In this video, we are going to discuss how you can update your Seafarer profile. Well, how you can change your name if there is something mismatch, right? How you can change your name, your address, how you can update your photograph, passport details if something is wrong with your place of birth and date of birth, how you can request to change that, and so many of the things, most of the things basically you can change by yourself without any approval. Yes, it is a fact, you can do that, but for that you need to watch this video. Hey guys, this is Akshay Kumar and welcome back to the new fresh video, guys. Yes guys, today's video is going to be a more informative videos, and I do receive so many of comments, not comments, mostly messages on Instagram, how to update my Seafarer profile. There is something is wrong and how do I do that? Here is the video. But before I proceed, make sure you have subscribed to my channel, press that bell icon as well along that, and you will get notified automatically when I will upload more informative videos like these. And guys, I keep on uploading so many of cruise news videos, cruise job vacancies, cruise information. So many things are available on this channel, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. So guys, you are here on my laptop screen, so let me take you to your Mozilla Firefox, because as you guys know, because the DG shipping website, it does work better in Mozilla Firefox or Internet Explorer. Alright, so here DG shipping. So guys, I will leave this link into a description below, so basically you will be able to just simply redirect to this website, right? Then you click on governments and then e-governance. Here in e-governance you click on e-governance. All right, so you will be coming, and basically you will be land on this page. So then here on the user ID, you enter your user ID, which is your indoors number, and then along with that indoors number, adding a 1 to it will be your password. All right, login. Now here guys, there are two things which you can do. Now there are two things. One part of this profile which you can update it without any approval. Let me show you that first of all. So you go and click here on update Seafarer profile. Now see, basically this part is divided into two sections, right? One is this permanent address section and one is this present address section. All right, so now here guys, this is your indoors number, your name, your date of birth, your nationality and your place of birth. These things can't be changed by yourself, right? These things you have to request. That I will show you later. But now here, if suppose you want to change something in your address, your present address, you want to update your mobile number, you want to update your email ID or your height, eye color, identification mark, or your hair color, whatever, these parts basically you can do it by yourself. Okay, so guys, this is what it was. And then here you have more options, like suppose if you want to update your educational background, you can do that. You want to update anything else, there are certificate option, there are documentations options. So now here you have an option basically, let me just go and click over here, upload documents. Here this is the part where you can upload your, or you can update your photographs and your signature. All right, here you will get an option what you want to update. So you can update all these documents over here, your photographs, and so basically simply you will click on browse, then select appropriate whatever you want to update, and make sure your photograph is, now here things are given, like how if you are uploading a signature, then it should be dimension of 3.5 centimeter to 1.5 centimeter. All right, and if you are uploading a picture, a normal passport size photograph is required for this. Okay, this is done here. Now let me take you to a, now suppose guys, let me tell you one more thing. If you want to update your passport details, so basically if you want to update a passport, so you can add a passport, or you want to update your existing passport, you can do that as well. All right, if like suppose you made a new passport, you click on the new passport, you go and continue, and then you will update your new passport. Means you have to upload a PDF and then it will be updated over here. Now here important thing is, there are some changes which you want to make in your name or in your address, right? So this is the option you will have. Here it will show your existing details, and whatever details you would like to change, you are going to add up over here in this part, which is a proposed changes, right? Guys, whenever you are changes, means you are applying for a changes, make sure you put your name and put your address, sorry, not address, your date of birth. Okay, because these two fields are mandatory whenever you are uploading anything. All right, So make sure you do this, and then after that, if you want to change any of your address, you can put over here what it should be, and then you require a passport. All right, make sure you take a passport, means the scan of the passport, take it into a PDF form and upload it here. So these are the options which you have, and you can basically request to update your details if they are wrong. So I hope guys you found my efforts worthy, and if yes, then please make sure you like this video. It really motivates me to keep making such videos for you guys, and if you haven't subscribed till now, hit that subscribe button. It is free of cost, and it does support my channel to grow. Alright, and if you want to talk to me personally, my Instagram ID link is given down in the description below. You can basically follow me out there, and you can have your personal questions with me. And please make sure you like my Facebook page, because I keep on sharing a job vacancies post basically on that page. And please tell me in the basically comment section, how was the video? Does it really help you? If not, make sure you dislike this video, okay? And I will try to prepare some more informative stuff which you might will like. Till then, take care. Bye guys.